Jatatije mar Vocal Africa Hussein Khalid okwayo sirkal mondo ne orito ratiro mar jofuambo e kinde tulo mag siasa kod campaign ahinya e kind siasa mar higa manyien. Hussein olero ni thuolo mar dweche ariyo mokalo monj mar jofuambo osemedore, gigegi mag tich iketho kendo nyamburko mag giwang'o e kinde mag tiyo tijegi. Okang' maketo ngimagi e andaki kendo thiro ratiro mar tijgi. Okwayo tendo kwach kich kod ogai mar obila otim nonro kendo mak jotelo manyaya thuye e kind jopiny magikoni kelo lal mar ngima kod kethruok mar mwandu.
We are asking the state to act with speed because this deteriorating situation is not just a source of concern, but it's also now taking lives of Kenyans. We also know of vehicles that have been burnt belonging to the media, and by any means, freedom of the media cannot be treated in this manner in Kenya. Clearly, the authorities must do more to protect the media. In any given democratic dispensation, the media is a key element. And without the media, we cannot by any means consider ourselves a democratic society. So we are calling on the state to ensure that the freedom of the press and freedom of the media is guaranteed. We are asking politicians to keep away our media. So we are asking the NCIC, when will you stop the rhetoric and issuing public statements and take tangible action instead? We are asking the police, even the DCI said that they had intelligence that there were, youth planning to cause violence. What have you done? Whom have you arrested?
Jodak e kar chung'od bura ma Mboni, kaunti ma Makueni, dwaro mondo tim machiegni kod